Hey guys, it's Miss Aguiar. I wanted to make this video to say hi. I hope you guys are happy, healthy, and safe, and you're enjoying and making the best of your time at home right now. And I thought it'd be nice to make this video to tell you what you'll be doing for work at home this week. You guys are going to be doing an AOW, an article of the week, and like normal, it's going to be through Google Classroom. So if you're an ESL 2.3, ESL 3, or ESL 4.5, you're going to go into your Google Classroom just like you always do. And depending on your level, you'll be writing 150 to 200 words, or you'll be writing 300 words. So for example, this is ESL 2.3. You'll open up your AOW document like you always do. And this first AOW, you are going to visit 2 or 3 of the museums that are in this article. Write about what you see. If you see anything that you think is really cool, also make a comment on the assignment to let your classmates know about it. So make that extra comment on the Google Classroom page. So you guys are going to take a look at 2 or 3 or 3 or 4 of these museums. So I want to just give you an idea of what you're going to do. You could choose this museum, American Museum of Natural History, New York City. You could copy and paste this museum name, go in and paste it in the bar up here to search for it. Go into the website. You're going to have to figure out where the virtual tour takes place on the site. But right here it's easy. Explore and learn online. So click on that. Then you can scroll down. They have some cool things you can take a look at. But down here it says, explore the museum, visit virtually. This has museum view virtual tour, guided hall tours, Google Arts and Culture, Explorer. So let's go and click on museum view virtual tour, for example. So we can click on this first picture down here, and we can move the screen around to see what is in this view. So for example, they have this whale. So in your reflection, you could write about this whale that you see. If you go back down, they have dinosaurs. You can look at the description of this dinosaur right here, Carnosaurus. And then you can look up, look all around. It's pretty cool. You can move through the halls to look at something else too. So I want to click out of this. and you'll go down and write your reflection. My 4-5 students, you're writing about 3 or 4 museums, okay? So I just wanted to give you a little bit of help with that before you get started, and I also just wanted to say hi to you guys. If you need help, feel free to email me or text me on the Remind phone app, and on Monday and Wednesdays I'll also be on Zoom, the live video conference, and I can send you guys a link in Google Classroom so you can join me live and video chat, talk about the AOW or anything else that is going on with you. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.